Ladies and gentlemen, look at that, the blue jellyfish. Okay, so this is not our creation originally. This has been viral around the internet, and so guys asked us to give it a try, so now we're doing it. So you put blue curacao at the bottom, right? This is the way that whoever created this did it. And then they layer vodka on top. Beautiful. So you have blue curacao, you have vodka. All right? Then we come behind that with some sambuca. Now the thing here is this sambuca does not stay at the top. If you watch it, it goes down to the bottom, all right? Creating a layer underneath the vodka, so it makes you wonder why not pour the sambuca and then pour the vodka. But this is the way they did it, so we're going with their technique. Then we grab half and half milk, just a drop. You just want a single drop to create that jellyfish effect, okay? Look at it, beautiful, it's cool, it's majestic, it's holy.